You're going to love their item. We have the cute factor on our side. But I just want to encourage you to listen to the words that they're going to be singing. The words that are printed on their t-shirt that Mrs. Kazia and some students hand printed. At Rehoboth, it's our hope and our prayer that throughout their lives, their response to God will be yes, Lord, yes. We know that throughout the course of our lives, we're called to do things that we don't always understand, things that don't feel comfortable, and we want to teach these little ones that they just have to respond in obedience. The other thing, this song is a love song to God. It's about an attitude of complete reverence and worship, and you'll see that when they're bowing down, we're just trying to teach them to just come into the presence of God and just to love Him as best we can. So I hope you enjoy it.
Lord, yes. Yes, Lord, yes.